3.0 inventory management, guys. That's what I'm going to show you in this video right here. So we are in SELLERBOARD right now, and if you don't know what SELLERBOARD is, I've been using it for a long time now, way over a year, coming up to probably 2 years now. And it, yeah, dashboard, PPC, products, expenses, etc., etc. It's all fantastic. Before now, we've had an inventory page here. Okay, similar to this one here. It gives you your cost of goods, potential sales, which is phenomenal, potential profit. This is a demo account, by the way, guys. Obviously, I'm not silly enough to give you all my products right here, which is amazing. It's got the days left of stock, red if it's getting low, green, blah, blah, blah. We use this on a daily basis. Days left until next order, all this recommended stuff, which is fantastic. However, 3.0 inventory management has just been released. So before we had something similar to this plan, and now we have got under inventory purchase orders, FBA shipments and suppliers. Let me go into it. Let's click on purchase orders. So now, not only do we have the ability to track cost of goods, potential sales and potential profit when it's actually registered on the way to Amazon or in Amazon, you know, potential sales, you know, FBM when it's inbound sent to FBA, but it was always hard to track it before it hit, and it was always like this grey area that no one seemed to track. Not anymore. So now we've got the inventory management 3.0, and this is the first part of it, first, second, third, which I'm going to go into. This is the first part of it, guys. So we can search up here by tag, SKU or ASIN or by PO name. We've got suppliers here, statuses, where we can do all these drop downs, okay? Now we can do drafts and see our total cost, total units. We can see what we have ordered, PO count, free, total cost $5,649, total units 1,800, and we can see what is shipped, okay? Shipped from our supplier to our Amazon warehouse. Okay, now we can see what's shipped. So this is a bit of a game changer. It means that we can track stock that we have ordered as well, and we can place order things in here. So as you can see, let's go into some demo orders here. This one is closed. That means we've set the draft up, we've ordered the products in the process I'm going to show you in a minute, and then we've shipped the products, and then it's closed. Once it's closed, it's then going to move on to this one here, okay, the potential sales when it's on the way, okay, sent to FBA, and then potential profit. And then we can track the whole process now. So there's the purchase orders. This is under SELLERBOARD. And this is free in the really cheap subscription to SELLERBOARD, by the way, where there's a 2-month free trial below, by the way. So let's click into that. Let's do edit order, and let me show you the behind the scenes here. So when you're creating orders, you can put your date in, the marketplace, courier, DHL, all the information to track, the supplier, etc. You can then use products down here. Select your product, okay? Units ordered, units per box, boxes ordered, dimensions, total manufacturing cost, unit cost per unit, transportation cost, total cost per unit, HS code, and any comments we need to put in there. We've then got transportation costs we can put in there, FBA shipments, and any attachments in here. So this is the behind the scenes, okay? As we can see, the status is closed right here. But if we look at one that is shipped, so this one's been shipped, okay? So then we can just come in here, track it, make sure it's all good. As I say, it's been shipped. We've got the estimated arrival date. And if it doesn't arrive on that date, then we know we've got an issue. So we're tracking the whole process here. And once again, we can see what's ordered and see what's shipped, okay? Now, moving on to the next part of this. So not only can we now track all this stuff, we've also got FBA shipments. So I've been using this a lot, and I'm loving this part. FBA shipments. So on this page, we can now track our status of inbound FBA shipments for shipments with status closed. You will see a warning sign if there's any quantity deviations between the numbers of units shipped to FBA fulfillment center and the number of units that are actually checked in. As we can see, what we all want to see here is 100% green, 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 and then obviously usually we're going to see shipped, shipped, shipped. But if we start seeing issues like this is now going to alert us rather than us having to manually go back and check. Anyone that's been doing Amazon for a while, just like me, I've got a virtual assistant that has to go through, or has done in the past, manually to check any discrepancies in quantities delivered, these quantities sent, and then send Amazon a follow-up. Now it's all here. We can see 89% of this shipment was sent correctly, 11% wasn't. Look at that, and it says quantity deviation between the number of units shipped and the FBA fulfillment center and the number of units actually checked in. See, we can select products, see what the issue is, see down here, see what products are included in this. We can see it's closed, okay, and then we're going to have to then view this a little bit in more detail here, and we can see that the issue here is this issue here, 50%, and this one here, 99% received. Okay, so units ordered 2,000, units received only 1,050. That is a massive difference, guys, and it just gives it to us in a nice, clean, crisp way. I'm just clicking on this page. So I use this pretty much on a daily basis now. I just come here, I check my shipments, etc. And just see if we've got any issues down here. Well, my virtual assistant business manager does most of this for us. We've also got it attached to the purchase orders there, which is really cool now, and you can click on that and it's going to take us back to that specific purchase order. Keeps everything in one easy, nice place. Click on the shipment ID. That will also take you through to Seller Central there. Okay, it's a demo account, so it doesn't exist, and then we can go and track that, create our cases of Amazon and get that money back, come back here and see if we've been reimbursed. So it's really cool. And the last but not least is the suppliers here. So we can keep track of all our suppliers right here and look down the edit column. We can edit it there. And then obviously these are going to be the same suppliers that come in the drop down when we're creating our purchase orders. And we can just simply really quickly add them into the supplier section there and just speed up the process. So guys, I hope that video's helped. As I say, jump on the 2-month free trial. It's nice and easy, simple, 2 months free. And then it's a really cheap tool anyway. I think it's about $19 a month, which is about £16 English. I've been using it for years. And it just, yeah, 3.0 is looks like a bit of a game changer. Obviously we've got the dashboard here as usual, which, you know, click more there, it gives us the in detail on every single drop down of what money's going out, the Amazon fees, disposal fee, referral fee, etc, etc. It's all there. So I hope that video's helped. That was SELLERBOARD 3.0 with the inventory, and I will see you all in the next video.